Good morning, student. Today is our second class of maths. Today we will learn about the comparison of numbers. How can we compare a number from the other number? Comparison of numbers. So what is a comparison of number? When a number is greater or smaller or equal from the other number, then we can compare the numbers. For example, we can see here. So for this we have to learn different signs. What are the different signs for a greater than, smaller than, equal to? See. It is denoted as greater than this sign. This sign is denoted as less than, and this is equal to. So these are the different signs how we can compare a number from the other number. So for example, we will see here some numbers. Suppose we will take a 3-digit number like 4, 5, 6 and 2, 4, 7, 8. So how can we compare this both numbers? At first we will see in the 100 place. What is there? 4 and 4. So these both are equal. So we can't compare this number. So now it is 5 and it is 7. So this number is greater than this number. So this number is less than this number. Okay? Again next example. 6, 7, 8. 4, 3, 5. So this is the simple way to compare. See here, there is 6 and there is 4. So 6 is greater than 4. So this number is great. 500. So these both numbers are same. So we will put here equal to sign. When the number will be same in both the sides, then we will put equal sign. See here again. 6, 6, 4. 6, 6, 2. Now see here. This both are same. These both digits are same. So now we will compare these both numbers. So there is 4 is greater than 2. So 664 will be greater than 662. Next, 456, 457. See here again, 4 is in both the places 4 are same, in both the places 5 is same. So now in the last, it is 7, it is greater than 6. So 456 is less than 457. Next, 655. There is also 655. So this is same, 6 6 same, 5 5 same. There is also same. There is no one is greater than any digit. So it will be equal. So we will put here equal to sign. So in this way we can compare two numbers by this sign. Now we will learn about ascending order. What is ascending order? See how we can compare ascending order. Suppose we will take example 642, 340, 632, 612, 602. So how can we now compare? See, there is 6, 6, 6, 6. So there, these all four are same. Now we will see there. This is 4. There is 3. There is 1. And there is 0. Now we can arrange this in the ascending order. See here, there is 602. So now you write at first 602. 602. Now 612. Now 6 3 2. Now 6 4 2. So now how we can write this? See here, 0 is smaller than 1, so at first we will write 602. Now 1 is smaller than 3, so we will write 612. Now 3 is smaller than 4, so we will write 632. And 4 is greater than 3, so we will write 642. Again we will see in the next example. Three 345, 445, 545, 645. So now we will see which number is greater in this 100 place. 7, 3, 4, 5. So there is 3 is smaller in this place. So 345 at first we write 345. Now we write 4. 445. Now we write 545. Now 745. So 3 is smaller than 4, then 5, then 7. So in this way we can arrange this in the ascending order. Now we will learn descending order. So now how we can write this greater number? Now in descending order we will write at first the greater number. So what is the greater number in this place? So at first we will compare the first number. There is 3, there is 4, there is 3, there is 4. But there is in two places it is 4, 4 and 4. Now we will compare these both numbers. There is 5, there is 6. So we will write at first 465. Now we will write 456. Now we will compare these both numbers. There is 3, there is 3, there is 4, there is 2. Then we will write first 345 because 4 is greater than 2. So in this way we can write in the descending order. Now one more example we will take. So now how we can compare this number? There is 6, there is 7, there is 9 and there is 3. So which is greater number in these places, in 100 places? This is 9. So at first we write 978. Now which 8? Then you write 878. Now it is 778. Now 678. So in this way we can compare the descending order. So at first we will see in the 100 place there is 9. So we will write 9. Then after that 878. Then you write 878. There is 778. Then you write 778. There is 678. So we will write there 678. So again one more example we will take for this. So we will see here 3, 3, 3, 3. So these all places they are same. Now so we have to now go in the second place. So there is 4, there is 2, there is 8 and there is 7. So 8 is greater than these 2, 4 and 7. So at first we write 385, then 375, then 345, then 325. So in this way we can compare a number. So how can we compare the number in descending order? At first we will see the greatest digit. There is 8, 7, 4, 2. In this way we can write the descending order. So that's all for today class. In the next class we will learn about the next chapter.